Sounds like.
God, come on.
Hi, Louie.
What are you doing?
Oh, you freaking
What are you doing? Just blow it in?
You just suck it like you're breathing air.
Inhale it.
Breathe it in, you freaking tart. Breathe it, like swallow it. You have to swallow it.
I don't know how to do it. Did I do it?
His voice barely
Did I do it? I didn't. I was sucking in the wrong place.
Just go like this, Lewis.
Give me it.
Louie, you gotta take it.
Give me it.
Go like you're gonna make it go
Lewis, you go
out.
like. Yeah,
Just
like
suck it in, like as much as you can.
Move my.
Use the rest of that pink balloon.
I am.
You for dude. I meant to say something, but it just came out like that. Push it, like.
Shut up. Did I do it? Did I do it?
No. Your voice is too deep. It doesn't change.
My brother
My
does
brother
it. No, my brother
Jesse's
does
changes.
it.
My 19-year-old brother changes.
Hello. So
Yeah.
mine doesn't do it either.
No, you gotta suck it in.
Yeah,
No,
breathe it
does.
like a lot in. Like
Breathe
breathe
it
it
out.
out.
Hello.
Make sure you swallow it.
Oh, I didn't swallow it.
That's why you're supposed to swallow it, you idiot.
Hello. See, mine doesn't change. What the heck?
You have to have a certain kind of voice to have it.
I want to get more.
Oh, we lost ours.
Oh,
They blew away.
Hello. See, mine doesn't change. They can.
Only
Mine
try to
doesn't
control a little bit.
Suck it all.
You look like you're gonna have a heart attack.
That doesn't. See, I can't do it. My voice doesn't work.
He's kissing the part.
I'm trying to get it.
I think those are supposed to be white and they're gray.
Ew.
There's bugs on this.
No, Rebecca's on her cake. Got a pink finger.
Is that lady right